Hello my dear fellow students, welcome back once again to my second part of lecture on your chapter 12 electricity. Well, in the previous class I have taught you electric current and circuit, in which I have told you that the unit of electric current is called ampere and the unit of electric charge is called, the SI unit of electric charge is called a coulomb. Whereas in one coulomb of charge it contains 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons, whereas electrons is a negatively charged particles which was discovered by a scientist called J.J. Thomson, and it contains 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Well, today we'll be sticking straight forward to the next topic, that is electric potential and potential difference. Well, I want to describe in more details what do you understand when you hear the word electric potential. Well, you have already understood what is electric, what is electricity. Now, what is potential? I am sure that you must have been already participated in a conversation going around among the group of people, and then I am sure that you must be hearing people saying there that what is his or her potential? What is your potential? Na? Gola haile legia potential ni takat. A potential means something, a capacity of turning it into something which gives a results ni haing yak gola haile lele potential la haing yak takat ta go electric potential matlab electric strength takat ni anaula difference potential difference ni high potential go difference ni I'm sure that you must have already heard about different people, different types of people. So here difference is that, but here they are not talking about, here we are not going to talk about the differences between the people, differences between the two people, differences between two things, differences between any items, but here we are going to talk about the differences between the electric pressure. So now what makes electric charge to flow? Let us consider the analogy of the river, the water flowing in a river, as written in your book. Well, the water is flowing in a river from upstream to a downstream because there's a pressure difference, where in the upstream of the river there's a higher pressure, whereas in the downstream of the river there's a lower pressure. So that is why the river flows from the upstream to the downstream. In a similar way, if we put a perfectly horizontal, if we put a test tube in a perfectly horizontal manner, in a perfectly horizontal position, then I'm sure that there will be no movement of anything inside the test tube because there will be no pressure difference. The pressure will be at the normal state. But if we put the same test tube, the one of its end open, and the other end of the test tube being connected to a water tank kept at the higher level, then just imagine higher level में yang tham thing higher level langge tia tengki tangge amachido yan nanga test tube open la dai gole pressure koi. There will be a pressure from the higher level of that water tank, and the water will start flowing from the test tube. So that is the pressure difference. Agole ara tim thing electricity ma haya electric current flow mane charge protocol flow hui thing electrons presence tai go. Electrons are negatively charged particles. But do you think that the electrons are flowing in the conductor or in the system because of the gravity? Now you must be confused. What is gravity? Gravity thing mane kim ha ma art le kim to which a tendency to pull our body, to attract our body towards the center of the art. Na hang up gravity le gola haila gravity type ni electrons ma no. The gravity have no role to play for the flow of charges, as the electrons move only if there is the difference in the electric pressure. Gola high electrons are gravity used to hile electrons are pressure difference tago bhai move huibo electric pressure difference pe high difference ang nyakpo, that is called a potential difference along the conductor. And then this potential difference is produced by a battery consisting of one or more electric cells. And here potential difference are tifanga ko burini tifma produce koribu rini battery he jangba electric cell ta produce koribu gola hayo battery cell ma battery cell la tim ne it is a device. A battery an electric cell is a device that is capable of converting some form of energy, some source of energy into a electrical energy. Electric cell. You must have seen even in a battery there's a cell. And now solar energy there's an electric cell. Potential difference is represented by a letter V, and potential difference between 2 points higher ko hai anote go jo hai ma le ba ko jaise de gya higher electric potential higher movement han pa ma hai cell khama there's a chemical actions in it inside the cell go hai chemical actions are homa movement wilong obu even when the lights is off light off ngo ko jo higher potential difference are there's always the potential difference in it ago jo light on dan do chia higher energy ta in the form of chemical actions higher energy ta exert koribo chia expand koribo chia ko bo haya to high kore light ta golo chuabo. Now let me tell you once again that potential difference is represented by a letter V, and if there is a potential difference here, it is a potential difference between 2 points, that is, let us assume that point A and B, then the work is done to produce a charge, that is, then we write V is equal to work done by charge Q, that is V is equal to W by Q, and the SI unit of electric potential difference is given by volt, and it is named after Alessandro Volta from Italy. Gole anam mga exam tim anam competitive exams ruma atrinso potential difference ko formula je gole potential difference ko formula reninga work done by charge, that is W by Q. Ko SI unit ko potential difference ko SI unit ko tim yang je namang yang atri reninga amni khan ki jawab dio lage gole du idu volt hobo na aro potential difference idu 2 points the measure kora idu ki koi golo do idu volt meter kobo na between 2 points do measure kora do aro ekta do 1 volt is the potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying a conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another. Acha 1 volt meaning tim thening ya potential difference ta point ani ba ma ni mi je glaile point A here B ni ba ma hai ni bang ya potential difference ta hai ni ba ma point 1 point A here B ni ba ma 1 joule of work hai 1 joule of energy ta work ka mane mod mokpo hai charge ta go move koring han bang ma from A ke B kaple ola hai nyak pula da cho therefore 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. Atha the potential difference is measured by an instrument called voltmeter, and it is always connected in a parallel connection. Exam exam de hobre it may ask in your exam also what is the instrument which what is the instrument called which measures the potential difference between 2 points inagabi hudi obre to do them the amni what you have to answer is voltmeter. Now the device that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor is called electric cell or battery. Ami anot doglaila haya device ta electric potential maintain goring an conductor dama haya electric potential difference tifang maintain goribu hanya haya electric cell or battery maintain goribu lada. And now we have a you have a numerical problems here. here they are saying what. Okay, here they are saying what is mean by saying that a potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt. Like, okay, then okay, no, it is an, here you have a, you have you have a numerical problems here. How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference 12 volt la phala na ma to edu ki digna ase golo do given charge to digna ase 2c and potential difference pd v is equal to 12v from agede moi formula digna ase mane v is equal to potential difference is equal to w by work by charge kona to edu ra man ina ulta kori dibo to w ifale ani se golo do v into q hobo to edu do w is equal to 12v into 12c to edu do ina hole do v into c do meaning ki ase golo do joule ekta hobo to edu kot pra loise golo do since 1v is equal to 1 joule by 1c na to edu 1 joule ifale ani se golo v aro c hobo do na to edu nisna 1 joule is equal to v into c. Okay, now the next question is from the question section. How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6 volt battery? How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6 volt battery? 6 volt battery bra charge pass hua time de kiman energy de ekta coulomb de na koi ase to total charge kiman di ase tahan bra ekta charge de guna ekta coulomb de guna di ase na tahan each charge matlab ekta charge de to one charge is equal to total charge is equal to 1c and v is equal to here potential difference v is equal to 6v. The amount of work done is given by the formula of potential difference, that is v is equal to w by q agela formula ase to w anishe golo do in a similar way v into q hobo. Now w is equal to 6 into 1 to 1 kot pra aise golo do yere q ase na to q is equal to 1c to na to edu nimide to w is equal to 6 joule edu hobo. Now the next topic we have electric circuit diagram, that is electric circuit diagram. So idu electric circuit diagram draw koribi kuna bi amni ga aho pare de, it may be asked in your exams, so you have to remember this. An electric cell is represented by this sign, that is one, this is called positive terminal, the negative terminal, and a battery or a combination of cell is given by this sign, and a plug key or a switch open is given by this sign, and the plug key or switch close, when it is closed then it is given by this sign. In the middle here is a dot sign, so you have to remember this. And a wire join is given by this sign. A wire crossing through a joining is given by this sign. An electric bulb is given by this sign, or directly electric bulb. And a resistor or resistance R is given by this sign. You have to understand all the signs in order to solve the numerical problems, because you have to understand all these signs and then only you can easily solve it will helps you in solving the numerical problems. And resistors, or a resistor of resistance R is given by this sign. Variable resistance or rheostat is given by this sign. Emitter is given by this sign. Agere bi moi koigna ase emitter to ki ase gona do to edu yad rakhibi. What is emitter? Edu voltmeter bi ki ase koigna edu bi koigna ase to it is given by this sign. So this is the end of the today's lecture for today, and the next I'll be teaching you in the next class, and I'm hoping that you're understanding whatever I'm teaching. If you have any doubt in whatever I have already taught you, then you may always be feel free to contact me anytime. So thank you so much, students. All the best.